He got some really cool children.
I know. It's really weird. Oh, no.
But there are real girl children.
Is it done? What are you talking about?
I close my eyes because my little kiss.
Oh no.
That's why.
You should not close. Alright, we think we have to kiss again. Come on, Daddy.
Oh.
Let's kiss again.
Oh no. Yeah, kiss.
Oh no, kiss again, Daddy.
Kiss again. 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 I'm in.
Okay. Alright, let's eat.
Little chubby.
Uh-oh.
What happened?
Arm popped off. It broke. It broke.
Oh, it's broke?
That's actually broke.
It's broke.
He was too strong. Yeah, he's dead. I'm not gonna be able to glue it too, because you gotta pull it hard.
Daddy, look at Daddy.
What? Yeah, I see it.
Then.
No! Okay, that's my turn. No! No!
Alright, stop. Oh no. Hey.
Uh-oh.
Don't do that again. Got it? Give it back to her.
Give it back, give it back.
Nope,
It's
you
her
leave it
toy.
there. Liam, get on the floor and pick it up. Pick it up. Hand it to her nicely and say you're sorry. Sit down now. Otherwise, you go to the room for the rest of the night.
I have carrots. I have a
Don't
key.
start.
You have to start eating carrots. Carrots is good.
Okay.
Not a toy. For decoration only. It says here, this is not a toy. For decoration only. Daddy.
You're my decoration now, Daddy.
Daddy.
Yes, sir.
This is like your carrots.
Mm.